All right, guys, and this is how you do this. Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post videos every single day. Anyway, guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to secure garbage dumpsters. Specifically these ones that are on piggyback, rollback, piggyback garbage dumpsters. First of all, let's go to the chains. These are 5,000 pounds each, so you don't need many chains at all. I mean, like a whole bunch of tight, down, let's see, like chain down force pressure, whatever it's called. But anyway, so I ran a chain across, one chain like this right through here. Where I got loaded, they have a special stick that helps you guide the chain across, and I ran the chain like this, which is, you can do that. Also, straps. I ran a strap over the top of every garbage dumpster over the first one. So 1, 2, 3 straps. You don't need edge protectors for this, all because the edge protectors, because the edges there is smooth and they're not sharp. It won't do anything to your straps. But every garbage dumpster is different, so whenever you're loading garbage dumpsters, please, guys, check, make sure the edges are not sharp, and if they are, put an edge protector before you put on straps. Let's go into the mechanics of how I did the chains here. So, chained it up over here, and that's one chain going that way, and each dumpster has the exactly same weight. Now, because it's piggyback and it's all the way there, I can only put a chain here and a chain that way, and same thing here and that way. So that is why the straps come in place, so just in case the front doesn't bounce up and down. So that's the way I chained it. Of course, I bungee corded and wrapped around all the chains, excess chains. Got to make sure the doors are closed as well. But that's how you do it, guys. Just for reference, guys, I'm going to show you how it looks like on the passenger side. My chain job and everything. And that's how you do it, guys. This load weighs about 20,000 pounds, so these suckers are light. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2006 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.